As we approach Yizkor this Thursday morning, many of us are flooded with thoughts of sadness about the loving relationships that we've lost. It's surprising that we observe Yizkor during the joyous festivals. Why would we mar the joy of the Yontif with the sadness of Yizkor? Perhaps there's more to Yizkor, something joyous that we've been missing all along. Science tells us the law of the conservation of energy, that no energy is ever lost. It only changes form. Our lives also don't cease and suddenly terminate. They change into a spiritual form. Just like the quarantine has caused our relationships to evolve from handshakes and hugs and being in each other's physical presence to social media platforms like YouTube and Facebook and FaceTime and Zoom. Only a fool would say that our relationships are dead. No, they've moved to a virtual reality. And there's actually a benefit to this new reality. Through these social media platforms, we're able to connect with more people than ever before. I, for one, am connecting with many more of my family members than I was doing before the quarantine. And our deceased loved ones as well in heaven are able to help us in ways that they were never able to help us before, with their newfound connections and contacts up in heaven. The key is learning the rules of engagement in the new reality. If you don't know how to use Zoom or FaceTime or social media, you won't be able to engage. If you don't know how to use Yizkor, you won't be able to connect with your loved ones in real time. This Thursday morning, I encourage you to approach Yizkor with a new approach, a joyous approach, one that reflects upon the present relationship that we have with them right now, not just what's lost. Take advantage of the link beneath this video. It's at jewishgardens.com/Yizkor handout, and read through the Yizkor service slowly as you think about your lost loved ones and how you're connecting with them just like I'm connecting with you right now through this YouTube video. Our connection with them has moved to a virtual platform. Pledge to do a mitzvah in their memory so that we can elevate their souls in heaven so that they can help us as well. Let's make this Yizkor a more joyous Yizkor as we reflect on how our relationships with them are alive and thriving. We just need to open our eyes to the new reality. Good Yontiv and Chag Sameach.